everyone, welcome to Cukmekerb's coding class. You know how when you text someone a video, like on YouTube or something, this happens, it has like a little loading wheel right here, and then the video appears and you can watch it right from the Messages app? Well, today I'm going to show you how to do that with your videos and also how to make it so that you can have an image appear there too. So when I type in the address to Google, the loading wheel appears and this happens. I get an Google logo that says Google in the title and all that. It is actually really easy to do with HTML metadata, and it also helps search engines. So I'm going to show you how to do that now. Let's get started. Alright, so I'm mostly going to focus on metadata for Apple text messages and such, but it also works for search engines, so I will cover title and description later, but first I'm going to do images and then I'm going to do video. So let's get started. To get started, pop open your text editor or whatever you prefer to use to write HTML. I like this text editor called the Cot editor. I got it on the Apple App Store. It's for Mac only. It's really nice. And yeah, so super easy. You just type meta content equals and in quotes the link to whatever image. So I should probably find an image. Let me quickly go and do that. What's a good image? Here's this random picture on the news on Firefox here, so I'm just gonna use this image from here, because why not? And yeah, let's paste in the link to the image, close those quotes, and now we have to type item prop equals, and in quotes, image. And yeah, that's it. Just close that thing. You don't have to type /meta to close the HTML tag. That's really it. That's how you get the images. And to prove that this works, I'm going to add a title, and inside it I'm going to write, look at this random picture that I found online, exclamation marks. Close that title, and I'm going to copy this, so I'm going to save it. I'm going to call it, let's call it meta image.html. Save. Alrighty. And I'm going to quickly go upload it to GitHub. You don't need to watch me do that. So I have it uploaded to GitHub, and I'm going to go back to my text messages. See, I already texted myself these things. Let me just text what I just put there, and it works! Look at this random picture that I found online. And it's got the picture of this guy singing, whoever he is. And when you click on it, it just opens this blank page because I didn't actually put anything into the page. I just put metadata. So for once, when you text a link to someone, it's actually richer in the Messages app than in their browser. Isn't that too funny? Alright, so I covered images. Now let's cover videos. These are pretty easy too. Alright, so here we go. Cot editor. Alright, so let's make a new file. Whoopsie. Oh, I did that too. Oh, okay. And let's get typing. So, first you want to type meta property equals, and in quotes, OG:video. End quotes. And then content equals, and in quotes, I'm going to paste the link to a video about, what's it called? Net neutrality. So, have the video now. Let me just paste the link and those quotes up. Put a slash and then close the tag. You know, you don't have to do the whole tag closing thing. Alright. Now, you have to have more than just the video because you gotta tell messages exactly how the video is. All of the specifics. Except for how long it is. That doesn't matter. Alright. So, meta property equals, and in quotes, OG colon video colon type. Alright. And content equals, and in quotes, video slash, and then here's the important part, you need to type what kind of video it is. So my file name ends in .mp4, so I know that it is an MP4 video, which is the most supported by the Apple Messages app. It might work with other file formats, I don't know. I'm using MP4, so video slash MP4. And close those quotes, and close that tag, but don't type slash meta because you don't need to. I don't know why. And finally, there's just two more things you need to tell messages. The height of the video and the width. So let's do that. Meta property equals OG colon video colon, you guessed it, width. I know. And my video is in HD, so the width of that would be content equals, my video would be 1280 pixels wide. Yeah, that's how wide my video is. And yeah, the width is 1280 pixels. Oh, and I spelled meta over here wrong. It's with an A, not an E, so you know. Slash that, and finally, just one more thing to do. Meta property equals, in quotes, OG colon video colon height. And close those quotes. Content equals, you guessed it, the height of your video. Mine is 720 pixels high, so that's what I'm putting in there. Slash and that thing to close a tag. Alright, and I'm just going to add a title so that it's not so boring. Title tag. A great video on net neutrality. Whoa, how did that get there? Alright, close that title tag. I spelled a bunch of those words there wrong. That doesn't matter though, because it's just text. So, save that. I'm going to call it meta video.html. I know, such creative file names. And let's close that. And I'm going to quickly upload it to GitHub. So, some more fast motion file uploading. Alrighty, and it's finished uploading, so let's just copy that link and get ready because I'm going to text it to myself. And here we go, hitting enter, and whoa, I forgot what I was talking about. That video was so relevant and important and interesting and informational and amazing. I've been so distracted. What was I even doing? Oh, I remember. Ha! Alright, let's close up that Messages app. And, finally, just one more thing I need to show you, and I'm afraid I won't be able to demonstrate it because this is purely for search engines, but I can promise you that it does work. So, to do that, let's pop open our text editor again. I got mine right here. And this is the description. Meta name, spelled name wrong, name equals, and in quotes, description. And then content equals, and in quotes, however you describe your website as. Let me see, what do I describe my website as? I describe it as a website that is cool. I know, Google's gonna hate, people are gonna hate Googling me and then saying the description just being a website that is cool. Yeah, I'm not gonna put that on my website, but that is how you do it. And so you can add a description for the search engines. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and a shout out to Paleontology in Minutes who commented on my video for no apparent reason. Thank you for commenting. Shouldn't encourage these behaviors. And remember, something relevant to our time. I don't know what that might be. That's your job.